to just go like, oh my gosh, my hair is so glorious, my hair is so nice, my hair is so soft. Oh. Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet, and today I'll be talking about 5 ways to improve the health of your natural hair. So number 1, I'm just going right into it. I don't need to waste your time, but make sure you watch the end of this video so you can get all 5 tips, and also make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So 5 very simple ways to improve the health of your natural hair. Number 1 is to stop using expired products. Yes. Expired products is a real thing. Expired butters like shea butter, expired oils. Usually butters and oils, natural organic butters and oils, only have a shelf life of 2 years. That's if they're kept in a dark cupboard or like away from sunlight. So if they're more than 2 years, yeah, it's kind of questionable to check if they're still working. But then with products, you can always check the bottom of the product to see when the expiry dates are. I'm really guilty of this. I just keep products for years and truly forget about them, and one day I remember I still use them on my hair. But usually within the first year of opening the product, try to use it all. If not, chuck it away or give it to someone that would love it. So yeah, so that's my first tip. Number 2, change your hair tools frequently. It is important to change your bobby pins, although they get missing by themselves. But try to change your bobby pins, your wide tooth comb, your hair accessories, whatever you use on your hair. Try to change them frequently. As not frequently like every day or once in a week. Please guys, don't take the piss. But change them frequently, like quarterly, once in 4 months or once in 6 months, just to make sure that they don't snag your hair, because sometimes these tools tend to have a split, I wouldn't say split ends, but they tend to have split ends actually. They tend to have splits on the white tooth comb and on bobby pins, especially when they begin to rust. That's the bobby pins, especially when they begin to rust, they begin to pull out your hair after you've used them. Number 3, less hands in your hair would prevent unnecessary breakage. So make sure you have less hands in your hair. I know it's always tempting to just go like, oh my gosh, my hair is so glorious, my hair is so nice, my hair is so soft. Oh, try to encourage people and all that, but try to reduce how many styles you do in a week and in a month. Less tension equals less breakage. So I mean, if your goal is longer hair and healthier hair, then less hands in your hair will do you good. But if you've reached your desired hair length like mine, then do whatever you want. But yeah, so that's my tip number 3. Now, tip number 4 is use a hair mist every day to keep your hair moisturized. I've been talking about hair mist since I started YouTube. I think that was even my first video. Literally the whole natural hair community, no one really talks about hair mists, and hair mists are the go-to product that you need to keep your hair moisturized throughout your hair's life. So all you need is just a product that is water-based. Water-based could be any product. I have one that I use all the time, and I mentioned it in my favorites video. I will link it at the end of this video, so make sure you watch to the end. So use a hair mist every other day to keep your hair soft and moisturized. It's just a liquid moisturizer, okay? I always say this all the time, but then some people take it, some people don't. But literally, it's the key to keeping your type 4 hair soft, okay? So yeah, please do that. Number 5. If your hair does not need to be exposed, cover it. Like when you're going to bed, cover it. If you're going out on any day that you feel your hair doesn't need to make an appearance, cover it, because you covering it with any kind of protective style, any kind of scarf, protects it from the elements, UVB, UVA rays. But it protects it generally, and when your hair is protected, obviously you don't have to do much to keep it as healthy. So try to keep your hair covered. Whenever you don't need to show its gloriousness, keep it covered, please. All right, so that's all my 5 tips for now. Don't click away. That's all my 5 tips, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. My name is Juliet. Once again, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share it. Make sure you like, and if you want to, like and comment. But yeah, so let's grow this channel together, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you all and all your support. Bye. I'll be talking about 5 simple ways to improve the health of your natural hair. So, first things first, if you're not following me on the gram, follow me. Lipstick on my teeth. Try to grow this channel, people. Okay.